What's up everyone, welcome to the Switching Gears channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're returning, thanks for coming back. Now in today's video, we're going to be installing the Screamin Eagle Pro Street Tuner that's Bluetooth. That being said, we should be able to do a basic tune from my cell phone. You can get the Y cable and do more on your computer, but just for today's video, we're connecting to my phone and putting somewhat of a better tune on there. Now I know there's going to be one of you that's going to talk smack about this tuner. And guess what? I know there's better tuners out there, but I'm going with this one. So let's see how it works. Alright, so this page is just a bunch of privacy information and kind of explaining the product. Just wants you to accept. Alright, so before we go any further, I'm going to go ahead and connect this. Alright, so this says pair device. To start the pairing, turn the key to the on position with the engine off. The BCI will broadcast a message to your mobile device. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so click mobile scan, firmware update available. You have an update available for your BCI. Do you wish to install an update now? You will be unable to use this BCI until this update is installed. Let's install it. Alright, so this says it's going to take about 10 minutes, so I'll see y'all in just a few minutes. Alright, so the update's complete. Please turn the ignition off/on to connect the BCI. Alright, so now that firmware is updated, let's go ahead and put this basic tune in. Alright, so we got standard, not wideband O2 sensors, and I believe it's going to be this first one. This is just the basic tune. It's for 2023 touring Milwaukee A114. The rest of the ones down here for different cam sizes, and obviously we don't have a cam in this one, so we're going to go with this one. If you click view, it's going to show you the basic air fuel ratios. It shows you all that on there. Alright, we want to program with this calibration. Alright, so keep your phone near the bike. Don't walk 20 feet away. Try to stay in a direct line of sight. If Bluetooth connection is broken during the reflash process, permanent damage to the motorcycle can occur. So don't move your phone. Got it. Alright, the programming's in process. See y'all in a few moments. Alright, we waited 20 seconds and then turned the ignition on and the run stop switch. So now we can close it. Alright, so that's pretty much it, guys. I got the little sticky thing back here so we can keep this on here all the time. You can choose to take it off if you want, but like I said, I'm going to keep it on here. Now that we got this on, let's take it for a ride. Alright y'all, that does it for this video. If you want to compare the sounds with the stock head pipe with the Tab 50 Cal Slip-ons, I have a video that you can check out as well. And of course, you can listen to this video with the Tab head pipe along with the Tab 50 Cal Slip-on. As far as the stage 1 goes, I'm no mechanic, but I think anybody with a little bit of mechanical experience can do these upgrades to your bike instead of taking it to a shop and paying a lot of money to get it done. So if you feel comfortable and safe doing it, why not? I love when I'm able to do upgrades to my bike myself. And once again, I'm no mechanic, so if I can do it, so can you. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, it really helps out. Hit that like button and hit the alert notification button, that way you can be reminded what's going on here at the Switching Gears channel. See you on the next one, guys.